According to the investment law in Vietnam, investors investing abroad must transfer profits and other income back to Vietnam, except for cases where they are retained for reinvestment. So, what are the procedures to transfer profits back to Vietnam? Transferring profits back to Vietnam is the obligation of private investors when investing abroad, specifically income, profits, and interest from overseas. Investment activities of organization or individual back to the country. This revenue is transferred after the investor has fulfilled tax obligations and other financial obligations as prescribed by law. The procedure for transferring profits from abroad to Vietnam is based on the laws of the investing country and the laws of Vietnam. Investors need to pay attention to the following: determine the time to transfer profits. Investors need to determine the appropriate time based on the regulations on corporate financial planning and the laws of the country receiving the investment. Usually within 6 months from the date of the tax decision, report or legal document with compatible value according to the laws of the country receiving the investment. The investor must transfer all profits and other income accounts back to the countries. Perform tax payment procedure in order to transfer profits to Vietnam. The consultant has completed to the relevant tax for the foreign country, including performing the tax settlement report and fully deciding on the other necessary taxes. To ensure optimal benefits, investors can prioritize considering countries that share a double taxation avoidance agreement to avoid additional taxes when transferring money to Vietnam. For example, Vietnam and Korea have signed a double taxation avoidance agreement. When a resident in Vietnam is subject to Korean import tax, Vietnam will allow that person to deduct from Vietnamese tax the equivalent amount of tax in Korea. Conducting foreign exchange transactions. Profit transferred to Vietnam for use need to be conducted in foreign exchange transactions to convert to Vietnamese dong in case the source of funds is foreign currencies. Carry out profit transfer procedures. First, investors need to prove the legality of the source of funds and work with the bank on related transfer procedures to be able to transfer profits from abroad to Vietnam. Compliance with regulation of the host country. Investors need to carefully check and ensure compliance with relevant legal regulations of the host country regarding procedure for transferring profits back to the country, because some countries will have their own regulation for this procedure. Transferring profits to Vietnam is also considered to a complicated procedure because each country will have its own specific regulations. For best result, consultants should choose a reputable bank and contact experienced legal experts to ensure compliance with the procedure and laws. For further support on investment and corporate law, please contact SIG Law Firm. SIG Law Firm is an experienced legal service provider in Vietnam with expertise in investment, enterprise, and labor law. Over the years, SIG Law Firm has built a prestigious clientele with prominent names such as Lotte, CO Suite, Aliac, and Hai Di Lao. That's why you will always receive dedicated and optimal service when working with SIG Law's team of lawyers and legal experts. If you find this video interesting and useful, please give us a like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to receive new video notifications, and we will see you soon in the next video of SIG Law Hub.